Welcome. This is a short yoga flow with some wonderful stretches for the hips, hamstrings, lower body, and low back. We'll begin in child's pose. Take the knees wide apart and begin to settle the belly, the chest, the head down towards the mat. With every exhale, allow the body to soften. Notice how the hips are feeling today. Notice the low back. Gently come up onto all fours. And we'll begin to make some gentle movements with the spine from side to side. Circles, moving in any way that feels good for the spine. Gentle, free movement. Arching the spine, curling in. Notice the stretches. Tuck the toes, lift the hips up. We'll come into down dog. Bending one knee at a time, gently walking the legs out and noticing how do the backs of the legs feel today. Inhale the right leg up and step it in between the hands, left knee to the floor. Inhale, sweeping the arms up, lift the chest. Exhale, palms to heart center. Take the palms onto the top of the right knee and gently press the knee thigh away while the chest lifts up and back. Ground firmly into the top of your back foot and your front foot. Release, palms to the floor. Straighten up the right leg. Inhale, lengthen the spine, and exhale, fold. Find a place where you feel enough of a stretch, and as you inhale, lengthen the spine. As you exhale, fold in deeper. Those gentle movements, easing the body into the stretch. Inhaling, lengthening the spine, and exhale, folding over the right leg. Bend back into the right knee. Reach back and with the right hand, hold the top of the left foot. Let the hips ground to the floor while the heel comes into the body. Feel the stretch in the front of the left thigh, quads, maybe hip flexor. Breathe deeply. Stay with the stretch. Maybe coming down onto the forearms. And release the left foot. Ground the palms to the floor. Send the hips back one more time. Inhale, low lunge. Exhale, hips back, half splits. Inhale into low lunge. Now we take a twist, gently guiding the right knee out to the side, rolling onto the outer edge of the right foot. Lifting the chest, turning the chest and belly to face the right side. Palms to the floor. Step the left leg to the outside of the left hand, coming into Malasana squat. Reach your right shoulder on the inside of the right knee and reach the fingertips out to the side. Sweep the left arm up and twist. Inhale and exhale. And now left shoulder on the inside of the left knee. Open up and twist. Reach the right arm up. And palms to the floor. Gently lift the hips up. Bring some movement into the legs. Step your left foot back. Step your right foot back. Plank. Hold here for a few breaths. Exhale, lower down. Inhale, lift up into cobra. Exhale, lift the hips, downward facing dog. Reconnect through the hands, feet, lengthening the spine. Inhale, left leg lifts up and bring it forward in between the hands. Lower the right knee to floor. Inhale, sweep the arms up, lift the chest. Palms onto the top of the left knee. Gently press the thigh away. Belly moves away from the thigh. Let the chest lift. Allow the stretch to deepen. Palms to the floor. We're going to shift the hips back, straightening up the left leg. Inhaling, lengthening the spine. Exhale, folding over the left leg. Move gently with the breath. Inhale, creating length, and exhale, folding. On your next inhale, lifting up, bending back into the left knee. Reach back with the left hand to hold on to the top of the right foot. Drawing the foot in towards the body, letting the right hip draw down towards the floor. And just go as far as you need to feel the stretch. Releasing the foot, palms to the inside of the left foot. Shifting the hips back and forward, just loosening up. And we take the left hand to the inside of the left knee and gently guide that knee out to the side, rolling onto the outer edge of the left foot. Gently moving the chest and the belly to face the side. Every inhale, lengthen up in the spine. Exhale, softly twist. And release, come back to center, palms on the floor. Tucking the back toes, step the right foot on the outside of the right hand, coming back into our squat. You can take the twist just like we did on the first side, or another option is to take the bind. Gonna reach the right shoulder below the right knee, bend the elbow, and then reach the left hand behind and see if you can join the fingers. And if the bind doesn't happen today, that's okay. Just stay with the stretch. Try on the other side. Try reach for the bind, let the hips drop, lengthen up through the chest. And release. Palms to the floor. Shake the legs out, loosen up, step back, plank. Exhale, lower down. Inhale, lifting up into cobra. Exhale, tuck the toes and lift the hips, downward facing dog. Bring the knees to the floor, set the hips back, and return to child's pose. Release the low back, release the hips. Make any movements, soften the body, soften the chest, belly. Thank you.